Well, now that we've decided to go with a buyer's agent, I'm going to give you 3 options for trying to find buyer's agents online. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those that are new to my channel, I talk about all things real estate, and I give you the confidence to buy and sell real estate. In today's videos, video number 3 in a series for first-time home buyers, where I walk you end to end through the process of buying your first home. The topic of this video is, now that you've decided to use a buyer's agent, how do you find a buyer's agent to then create a list of them that you will begin to interview so you can make sure you select the right one to represent you. Okay, so I'm going to show you my 3 best sources that I like to use, and I'm going to walk you through those websites really quickly. So let's dive in. Okay guys, so I've opened up my laptop. I'm going to quickly show you 3 platforms where I think you can start to get information about compiling a list of agents that you can interview so you can choose the right agent for you. Number 1, as you can see, you probably guessed it, Facebook. What better way to find a professional to help you than to ask your existing network, whether that be friends, family, coworkers. And the easiest way I think that you can do that is go to your Facebook, create a post, tell them, hey, what can you do? I think there's 2 ways, there's 2 types. There's write a prompt. You can say something like, can you give me the contact info of a trusted buyer's agent? Go through that process and post it, see what people say. The other one, which I don't see on the website because I'm on the website, rather the app, is recommendations. I see it with like recommendations for restaurants and other things and trips. You can do that the same for buyer's agents. Either way will work, but go to Facebook. That's the number 1 recommendation that I have for you to compile at least 3 to 5 names of agents that you can ultimately interview. The second source is realtor.com. Main reason I tell you to go to realtor.com is because it gives you the list of those that are part of the National Association of Realtors, which is an accredited membership where we follow a certain guideline of principles and rules that are established by the organization that give the utmost integrity and make sure that you are looked out for as a buyer or seller. And not only do we give you aggregation of all the listings that are on all the MLSs or the multi-listing services that are out there locally, but you also get a list of realtors that are out there, and you can simply search on your city or zip code. Okay, you can hit search and you'll get all the agents that are in your area that are part of the National Association of Realtors. Problem becomes is that you have 553 results just for 72712 zip code. So how do you start to analyze that? I don't think you really can. I think there's a couple features you can do. You can say, if I have a primary language I'm going after, and if there's some credentials such as helping seniors or having an accreditation to help buyers or an accreditation to help seniors, that can help you narrow the search. But I would say pick 3 or 4 that look reasonable and put those to your list and then start to reach out to them. Okay. The third one, because we all use Zillow.com at this point to help us find the houses when we're buying it. A lot of my clients are doing most of the legwork. Is there's also an agent finder where, just like realtor.com, you can go and find agents in your area. The reason I like this is that you can filter on buying, so people can specifically build their profile and say, yes, I do represent buyers. And it'll show you who's advertising for space, featured agents, and others who are listed based on reviews, right? Oh, look, here's Jim. He's actually my broker at Berkshire Hathaway, solid broker. But you'll see that it will help you easily distinguish between who maybe you should go with or who you shouldn't. I think you'd be pretty good to reach out to the top 5 that are on this list based on reviews, but kind of go through this and make sure that you're looking for those that fit your criteria in terms of language and other non-negotiables for you. Well guys, those are my 3 sources for compiling a list. Once you get that list, my suggestion is that you start to research them a little bit online, see if they have a YouTube channel, see if they have a Facebook profile or a business page, Google reviews, whatever it may be, so you can do a little bit of due diligence before you actually interview your short list of agents, okay? Hope this video helped. If it did, please comment below, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I ask that you subscribe, put that notification bell on. And until my next video, guys, I hope you have a great rest of the week, and I'll talk to you soon. See you later. Bye.